guys, it's Adriano, your boy. Today we'll be telling you how to make your own channel backgrounder. So all you need to do, guys, is go on YouTube and you search cool backgrounds for YouTube. Yeah, for YouTube. Now you're gonna press on images, and as I told you, like in a lot of videos, just choose any image you want. I'm just gonna touch this one. I'm gonna screenshot it. You're gonna screenshot it, guys, and then you're gonna save it. You're gonna edit it and everything, clear it so it can go really good. Save it to photos. It's gonna be in your camera roll, as you know, and then you're gonna get out the app and you're gonna download this app called Thumbnail Maker. Yeah, you will. So you can download Thumbnail Maker, guys. As soon as you download Thumbnail Maker, you're gonna go onto it and press Channel Art Maker. On the left, you're gonna just complete, like, press next and okay. You're gonna press a little camera in the middle screen. You're gonna choose your image, and now you're gonna type anything you want. You can type like anything. I'm just gonna type yeet because that's my favorite word, guys. Yeet. You're gonna edit it. You can do any editing, trust me, guys. Then after, you're gonna save it. Yep, it's gonna be in your camera